Hey guys, Mike Caudill, brand ambassador for Go RVing, and you have all seen and heard my voice over the past few days here at the 2022 RV Industry Open House in Elkhart, Indiana. And this moment for me, at this point in the show, this one actually kind of gets me a little bit in the heart, because this is where it all started for me. Like, I'm gonna tear up. My first RV when my wife and I got married was a Keystone. We had a Cougar. And the industry has evolved so much over the past few years, especially coming out of the pandemic. People are looking for things in RVs that are just different. And for me, if I go back to that 2002 Keystone Cougar, we only had pennies to scratch together, and that was our first travel trailer. We took it all over the western part of the United States. Fast forward now to 2022, here at this show, I'm taking a look at this right here. This, and I'm just going to move out of the way, is the all-new 2023, and this is the Sprinter. It's 39 feet in length, and I have purposely not gone inside yet because I want to capture it all on camera. So Brandon, let's go on inside. We got a special guest in there that's going to spend a few minutes with us, and he's going to tell us everything we want to know about this RV. I've got Jeff in here, Kloska.
How we doing?
I am really good. He is Director of Product Manager for Sprinter and Outback. And this is where it all started for me.
Yeah.
Started for me, I was a Keystone guy. I found it on Facebook Marketplace years ago. My wife and I, it was our first entree. We needed bunk beds. We needed functionality. And although it was in 2002 and it was super heavy back in the day, we have come a long way. Tell us about this Sprinter.
Well, Sprinter's come a long way too. I mean, we were the first brand ever built at Keystone, okay? And we started as a travel trailer, and we've evolved into what we see here today. This is the 3900. It's a double bath, 2 full baths with a bunk and a loft, dual vanities, king bed slide. It's got it all.
I know. All right, so we're going to walk through this thing, but I'm going to do a fast one first, all right? So we're going to go all the way to the back. Jeff's going to come with me, and we're going to then slowly make our way all the way to the front. So in the back, you have a full exit and entrance, and you could call this almost like, what would you call it? Like a, it's not a wet bath, but the ability, what do we call it?
Almost like a mud room.
It's like that.
There you go.
That's why you are the product guy. All right, so you have a mud room in the back, which means I have full ability to shut this off. I've got 2 hatches over here if I want to put my shoes there or keep them outside. And I've got a shower in the back. Like, I think I've got a 15 and a 13-year-old son and daughter. This is where they live. And I mean, honestly, this is better than my first college dorm room,
Absolutely.
like bathroom, right? Beautiful in here. And then we come into their living space.
They've got their own little suite here, and it's fantastic. So you've got this bed here, and then you've got a sofa that will also, it's a trifold, so it folds out into close to what is a queen bed. All right, so you can flip that up, you can watch TV here, but when it's time to go to bed, take this TV, you get that hidden storage, get your blankets, get your pillows, get your games, whatever you want to put back there, just huge, enormous storage.
I feel like this could be the largest travel trailer here. It's so big. And then up top, you've got, is this like a twin?
Yep, this is a twin here, and then you've got a little smaller loft up here. I've got a 4-year-old. He'd probably be up there all day long.
Yeah, but I mean, all right, I could put my daughter here. I could put one of her friends here. I could put my son up here, or I could put my son up there. That's longer.
Yep.
I mean, we're talking 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 at a minimum back here,
yep.
And someone on the floor.
Yep,
well, no,
probably.
because the bed's going to come out.
So you're going to get 6.
6, and
there
you've
you
got
go.
Storage all the way through. Then you come in, and it's like, hey kids, mom and dad are going to bed. All right, peace out. Bam, we're going to shut the farm doors in here.
Absolutely.
Tell me about the design, because when I look at RVs, I think of 2 things, right? There are 2 people that I have to impress upon the coolness of an RV. Me, I like the outside. I'm the grill master, man. I'm out there doing my thing. I need hatches, I need water, I need that kind of stuff. Inside, it's all about mama. Got to make mama happy. This inside is incredible. Farmhouse, beautiful chandelier lights. Tell me about the design.
Yeah, that's the one thing is we get a quick minute, mom's going to make the decision. So if she steps in, it's got to catch her eye, right? And one of the things that we wanted to bring in is, you know, the backsplash that you see here. A lot of times you're getting kind of a cheesy little backsplash, and what I want to do is go from the counter all the way up and give it some of that pop. I also wanted to do something here different with the countertop, you know, on the island. Set it off a little bit, kind of tie in the black with the pendant lights in here, some of the black glass. and it all kind of just comes together.
Blend together. I want to talk about the chassis. So you're running this center island right down the middle.
Yes.
Does this tie into the chassis?
So basically what we do is we run a Dynasplan floor, okay? And it's got a 24-year warranty, and it's seamless, all right? So that's about the strongest floor that you can get. I'm not concerned about weight on this unit because it's at 43 feet, but I am concerned about tying this into the floor.
Got it.
The chassis is a different thing with Keystone. I mean, we design our chassis around the exact floor plan we're going to build. Okay, so we're not going to cut them down and try and make them work.
Got it. Plenty of storage, commercial refrigerator, entertainment seating, meaning television's over here with a fireplace. It's like a zone. I create my zone. Now I want to sit down. We love to, the Caudill household, we love to play games.
Yes.
So this is great, right? We can put the kids here. We can sit here. We can play games. We got plenty enough room to get out of the elements. And what's great is everyone can kind of split where they want to go.
Yeah, absolutely. You know, and you can keep those games if you want. You can keep them right in here. Some storage under the table. It also, pardon me, also comes out, slides out if you're going to have a couple more of you guys sitting here.
Love it, love it, love it. It's interesting. You saw me sit down. I saw the look in your eyes. He's like, oh, big man saying he doesn't fit. And he's not going to say it on video. Well, you just solved my problem. By the way, that was not rehearsed. I was like, well, I'm not going to say that it's not big enough. But it is. It totally got enough room right there.
Yeah.
All right, we got to go. We got to keep moving this. We're going to come up top here. We got another we got 2 sinks.
2 sinks. 2 sinks, 2 mirrors.
2 sinks, 2 mirrors, plenty enough room. I always like to get inside the shower and see if I fit. I do. It's at eye level. I got enough room up top. Plenty enough room in here. I like the fact that there's actually a tub at the bottom so that I have enough room to make sure it drains. You know, we're always thinking about gray tanks and whatnot. And I don't think what's gray tank size on this?
Gray tank size on this one's going to be 78.
Yeah, so you got a big tank.
Big tank.
Never going to worry about your gray water overflowing. You're going to be fine with this. But I do like the fact that there's protection with a tank in here. All right, we're going to go into the bedroom. Take it away, my man.
Come on in. I mean, something new for us this year is what we did is traditionally we just had a closet rod in here. And so we created a spot that you can store your shoes, fold. If you're somebody that needs a CPAP, you know, you can open this up. There's a plug back here for that. All right. So we're trying to think of everything and all the necessities. But then when you get there and people are using these more and more for a longer period of time, what do you do with your dirty clothes, right? We got your solution. So washer dryer, full stackable washer dryer on board, coming from the factory. So, you know, service departments don't have to mess around with trying to get it through the doors and set it up for the customer.
How many air conditioning units?
On this unit, there's going to be 3 air conditioners.
3 air conditioning units. Yes. So you're running 50 amp all the time with this big boy.
Yep.
What's total weight?
13.5.
13.5. So you're going to be in Super Duty category.
Yep. You're going to be. I mean, again, we're not going for a lightweight feel on a 43-foot.
Yeah, you want this to be. So it's legit.
It's stout, and the thing with Sprinter is that we're considered a wide body. So what that means is we're 100 inches wide.
Yeah.
All right. You get 4 to 5% more living space.
Yeah, I love it. I love it. I love it. This is where it all started for me, my man.
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
Thank you
for showing us, guys. You know where we go next. We're going to make the next 5-minute run. We're going to hit to, I think we're heading to Grand Design, but stay tuned, guys. More videos. We're compacting them all into day 3 here at the 2022 RV Industry Open House. We'll see you guys in about 15 minutes.